welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing well. So this is obviously different. This is a vlog. This is my very first vlog on YouTube. I'm not quite used to it, but we'll get used to it. Okay, so today is a Friday. The most part of this morning couldn't be shared because I was working, and obviously I couldn't share that part on the internet. But now I'm done with work, and for this evening we're just gonna go on a quick walk and then come back, have dinner, and then retire for the night. So yeah, if you can hear a sound, that's my washing machine going because we had to do some washing. So I plan to vlog today, tomorrow, and Sunday. I'm not quite sure yet if I want to do a bit of Sunday or I want to record on Sunday and have the video up for you guys on Monday. There's gonna be a few changes on my channel right now because my work schedule has changed a bit, so I need to kind of rework that with my YouTube channel. So that's taking me a while to understand, but we'll get there. But for now, I'm just gonna go for a quick walk, and this was just a quick intro, so enjoy. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I'm back home. We took a walk to see the swans, as you guys saw. I've been seeing them around, and I really wanted to go and actually see them, and I'm so glad that I was able to do that today. So the swan area is like 10 minutes away from where I live, so going and coming back, that was almost like 20 minutes ish. So I'm back home, and I didn't want to do much walking today because one, it was really cold, and two, it's nearly 6 o'clock now. I try not to eat dinner anything after 6, and it's like already 6 o'clock, so I really need to come back, make dinner. And I also have a church program thing today and tomorrow at 7, so I'll be logging onto that and just chilling. And I'm currently watching Empire. Now I know that Empire is so back in the day and everyone has probably moved on to other things, but I didn't hop onto Empire when everyone was watching it, so now I'm watching it, and I think we're in season 2, episode 8, and it's getting intense. Okay, if you watched Empire, guys, don't spoil it for me, don't tell me. I'm just quite intrigued, and I really want to see how it's gonna end. We just finished watching This Is Us, and that's another series that I'm like, what? Whoever, Kay Oyego, who wrote, who produced it and wrote the story, is just she's amazing. amazing. The storyline is just so beautiful, and we're just waiting for a new episodes to come online. So anyway, let me go make dinner quickly, and I'll touch base with you guys soon. Ignore the mess in my living room. Like, I was working earlier, so there's books everywhere, there's pillows are just everywhere. But I'm gonna clean that quickly whilst dinner's getting ready. And yeah, so that's it. I'll see you guys later. You guys have seen what I do when I'm making dinner. I just try to clean as I go. It's not always easy, but today thankfully I had energy to do that. Maybe because you guys were here, maybe. So, but let me move this slightly. It's better, maybe. Yeah, okay. So but I'm gonna end today's vlog here because we're not doing anything afterwards. We're just gonna watch Empire, and obviously I have that church thing at 7 o'clock that I'm gonna be joining. So you guys, we might as well end it here. But you've seen what I'm up to this afternoon or this evening. So we'll end there, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
She said, not much to me. She was stubborn to the end. Offered to help her with her legal representation.